Good morning, dear students. Today, on 19th of January 2022, we are going to discuss some more adjustments in the chapter Financial Statement with Adjustments. Up to now, we have discussed 9 adjustments. Now, we are going to discuss some more adjustments today. First adjustment of today was in the class bad debts. Actually, if it is in the adjustment bad debts, these are the additional or the further bad debts beyond the bad debts which are already recorded in the books and they are there in the trial balance. These further bad debts will be subtracted from debtors and will be shown on the debit side of profit and loss account. Next adjustment was provision for bad and doubtful debts. This is on the basis of previous experience. Sometimes the firm estimate that while receiving the money in the coming year from the debtors, the firm might be facing not receiving the complete amount. So that is going to be a loss. So the firm or the company anticipates a loss because of bad and doubtful debts. They are calculated on the remaining debtors and subtracted on the asset side of the balance sheet from the debtors and will be shown on the debit side of profit and loss account, or it is added in the bad debts and further bad debts. Like manner, on the basis of the previous experiences, the firm or the company estimates that while receiving the payment from the debtors, the firm might allow some amount of discount and that will be a loss or the expense. So that anticipated discount, for that purpose a provision is made in this year only, and that is known as a provision for discount on debtors. It will be calculated and subtracted from the debtors on the asset side, and the same provision for discount will be shown on the debit side of profit and loss account. Like manner, there may be the provision for discount on creditors, so that will be subtracted from the creditors on the liability side of the balance sheet and will also be shown on the credit side of profit and loss account. So this was the lesson of today.